happy Passover! Wow, today Ibu Sisil so happy because I can meet all of you again in our language class. And today we will have language class through video content. Are you ready? Great job! Oh, before that, do you still remember what did you celebrate in the Passover? Yeah, Jesus died in a cross and then Jesus alive. Good job. Now let's start our language class. Do you still remember what sounds did you already learn? Yeah, the sounds of R and OR. This sounds is similar but not same. Good. Now let's read the word. Horn, horn. Born, born. Arm, farm. Star, star. Now can you read fast? Horn, born, north, short. Now can you point which one is short? North, horn, born. These are the words which has sounds of R. The next one, let's read. Card, farm, car, star. Can you point which one is star? Card, farm, car. These are the words which has sounds of R. Well done. Now I want to challenge you. Can you make your own sentence using the word? I will mention the word and I want to hear you make the sentence by yourself. Can you do it? Horn. Can you make a sentence using horn? Good. Ibu Sisil want to make a sentence. Rhino has a big horn. How about farm? Good. I make a sentence. I see the cow in the farm. Good job, K2. And now, let's read the story together with Ibu Sisil. You may open your book on page 63. Let's read together. Mike drives his car to the farm. He sees a cow, a duck, and a goat playing with cards. The duck wants to win. The goat wants to win. Who will win the game? The cow. Now, Mike will play cards too. Good, K2. Now it's time to do the task on your Sanskrit book. First, please open page 62 and then write the words in the correct boxes. The first picture is horn, so please write down horn in the box of R. The next is please read the sentence and match with the picture. Number 1. There is a star on the tree. Which one the picture? Please draw a line. And now let's continue to page 65. Fill in the blanks with the correct words and write the sentences. So number 1. What is the answer? The star is up in the sky. Write star to complete the sentence and rewrite the sentence. It's also for number 2 until 5. Can you do it? Don't forget to take a picture and upload it to Schola. Okay, K2, thank you for having language class together with Ibu Sisil. Happy learning, God bless you, and bye-bye!